Well, hello, good morning and welcome to Camilla and I. And as you can see from the notice behind, we're at a brand new nature reserve to Camilla and I. Never been here before, so I don't know what to expect. Already, the only thing I notice is there's a £3 all day parking charge, which you have to pay online if you use the car park here at Westhay Moor. Absolutely amazing. So anyway, I haven't got a clue what we're doing here. All I know is it's a great place to see bitterns. And yeah, we love bitterns on Camilla and I. One of our favourite birds. A larger bird here in the UK, but very elusive and difficult to spot. So we'll see if we can get any today. Anyway, if you want to join me today, we're exploring Westhay Moor on Camilla and I. Okay, well, going by the sign today, we're going to travel the 350 metres down here to the first hide. So I think basically today we'll do a tour of the hides, and already seen a couple of young ornithologists dropped off by one of their parents, I should imagine, probably to avoid the parking charges. Not a bad idea, I suppose. Yeah, just shy of the entrance. Anyway, yeah, flip you around and say we've never been here before, so we haven't got a clue what to expect. We've got this sort of lake area on the left of the car park as we arrived. Haven't scanned that for bitterns, but I should imagine that's probably a bit close. If you are looking to photograph bitterns, obviously you've got to choose an area like this one, and they do move around, usually first thing in the morning. And as we're coming up to the mating season soon, they do boom, and indeed that's how they count how many are in the area, through the booming of the males. Yes, the only way really to detect how many birds are in a given location. Anyway, yeah, quick flip around here. Yeah, it's all very nice too. Jenny wren in there somewhere. Oh yeah, little wren. Little Jenny wren to greet us. Very nice. I got a very nice little Jenny wren yesterday actually on the town path. Perhaps I'll throw that one in because I can't get that one. I'm going to the hide first. So yeah, sunrise this morning, 6:35 in our bitten hunt. So yeah, sun rose over Glastonbury Tor. We're quite close to Glastonbury here, and we're just a little bit further on from Mere, where the other Somerset level main Avalon marshes, Ham Wall, are. So yeah. Anyway, a couple of Canada geese flying overhead. Anyway, the reason we're here is all down to Colin. Thanks, Colin. Yeah, no, I met Colin at one of our secret hides, and he recommended Westhay as a sort of smaller reserve where at one point he'd photographed 8 bitterns in the one photograph, he told me. He proceeded to tell me that that wasn't the best shot taken here at Westhay. He said somebody had got 13 bitterns in the same frame, obviously flying, but anyway, we'll be happy for just one. So anyway, thanks for the tip off, Colin. And oh yeah, well, we're coming up to some sort of first hide arrangement now. So we've got this very well signposted. Got the sun rising over this pond here. can hear a woodpecker in the background and also a plane. Beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. So a great start today on Camilla and I. Let's have a look at the notice board. Yeah, so here we are. These are the species we expect to see today. Kingfisher, marsh harrier, otter, bittern and bearded reedling. Wow. Nothing to live up to there then. Westhay Moor. I think the famous island hides, just 50 metres down here. And I think that's one we'll go to first of all. We've got another bird hide here as well. So I don't know where the lads went, the young ornithologists, but yeah, we'll try and avoid them so we can do some more vlogging, because I'm sure you want to look around this area as much as I do. I'll tell you what, we'll have a look in this hide first. So we've never been here before, so we'll take a look down here. Yeah, we'll have a little look down this this hide here. We'll take a little look down here, but obviously I'll talk a bit quieter now. We're approaching the hide. Yeah, it does look very still. Flip it around. Okay, I think we're all right here at the moment. Nobody's here at the moment, so we'll come into this first hide. Somebody's left an aperture already open, so obviously they know where we've got to go. Well, I must admit, this is rather nice, straight off, straight out of the bag. Amazing. Yeah, very nice. Beautiful. I'll have to check this one out for a few minutes. But then I think we'll go on to this island hide where hopefully all the bitterns are. Because I can't see a bittern at the moment, but it's one of the things with bitterns. Quick flip you around, you don't tend to see them. I know. There are loads of places, unless a bittern is flying, there are loads of places to hide. There are absolutely numerous places for a bittern to park up there in the reeds. Anyway, I will get out a new secret device we've been using on Camilla and I. Just a minute. Yes, we bought yet again another piece of equipment on Camilla and I for our wildlife photography, and specifically for occasions like this. And this is a Zeiss optical thermal imaging device. And anyway, we've got it set to rainbow bird recognition. And this should show up any hotspots, any bird hotspots. So if anything is lurking in the reeds, yes, already it's identified a number of ducks around the edge. Can't see any obvious bitterns around using the thermal imager. Oh, we've got a marsh harrier. Marsh harrier coming in. Well, it's not coming in, let's see. Well, that was nice. Very close flyby of a marsh harrier. Amazing. A good start to the day. Frame filling shots of the marsh harrier. Absolutely amazing. Yeah. Actually flew quite close to the hide. Incredible. Anyway, I think we'll go on to the next hide now after that initial successful burst. Incredible. Well, that's one of the birds off the list of that board already this morning. So, yeah, keep our fingers crossed. Anyway, come with me. Let's go on to the next hide. So, anyway, we're coming up to the island hide. So, anyway. Yeah. This is like something out of Jurassic Park. Wow, how cool is this? Have you ever been in a hide like this? A bit of squealing going on, probably a water rail. Yeah, wow. Okay. Anyway, the bad news is, apparently by 10 o'clock it gets pretty busy. So I think you and I will be out of here by 10 o'clock. Anyway, let's have a good look round while there's nobody around. Wow, well, this is amazing. Never been in a hide like this before. Sort of all eye level. I've got some lower, a couple of lower apertures. And then there's all this, yeah, marvellous reed area here. Look at all this. Something in the foreground. Shh. There's a little wading bird in the foreground on that patch to the right. Just a minute. Okay, it's just a couple of snipe. False alarm, right colour, but not big enough. So, yeah, nice. So I have to get out the thermal imaging device. And I got quite a few reeds to scour, so I'll catch you in a minute. I'll do a review on this thermal imaging device at some point, but for the moment it's proving quite useful. Yeah, can't see any bitterns lurking in the reeds. I identified the snipe quite easily, just down there. That was quite straightforward. But yeah, no bitterns, so yeah, amazing, because it's such a lovely area. You'd think there's bound to be a bittern here. Woodpecker drumming away in the distance, but no booming bitterns yet. Okay, anyway, catch you. We'll leave this beautiful hide because I must admit, I think today the best chances of getting a shot of a bittern is in flight this morning. And I haven't seen one yet, but I don't want to be in an enclosed structure where I suddenly want to point skyward. So, like this magpie, false alarm. But yeah, I want to be in a position to see the bird coming. Magpie again. Second magpie. Anyway, yeah, if that was a bittern coming across, we'd get it. Whereas if we're in the hide with the roof, we might not see it approaching. So anyway, method in our madness. And we're scouting the reserve out, so we're using the 600mm combination, the 300mm with the 2x teleconverter on the Sony A1 II. Absolutely marvellous. Just the ability to whip out the thing and get the shot. Duck just passing, then just able to grab it just like that, no problem. Yeah, anyway, I want to grab a bittern. I want to grab a bittern for you. Anyway, catch you later. Well, I don't know where this track leads behind. Perhaps somebody could let us know in the comments. Presume you can see more of the reed beds off to the left. But anyway, yeah, amazing. A deer down there. Mate, thought I saw a deer in the distance. No. Amazing. Anyway, we'll carry back onto the main tracks. Well, we just sit on the Norman and Anne Lee's bench. Absolutely superb. They've cut this view from the bench, so it's actually quite a good view because the sun's directly behind me as it comes up at the moment. So a marvellous spot, Norman and Anne Lee's. A testament to you, without a doubt. A lovely spot. I bet you could have sat here for many an hour. Well, I've ended up back in this hide because it's just such a lovely scene, if nothing else. But yeah, quick flip you around. Yeah, before everybody gets here, just record this. Lovely scenery. Absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, already witnessed a fight between a grey lag goose and some Canada geese. Obviously the grey lag defending its territory, so didn't like the fact these two Canada geese wandered into its patch. So yeah, got a little bit of video of that one, and also on cue, well, we've got a magpie carrying a stick across the lake in front of us. But in the distance, we've also got a marsh harrier. And again, that's the thing, when you don't know a nature reserve, you don't know where the birds are likely to fly. And in this case, where they're likely to hunt. It's going to be over the reeds, but that's about as all you know. Wow, there we are on Camilla and I. We nearly missed one out. Luckily bumped into some people who said, well, a couple of volunteers here. They said the tower hide, check out the tower hide, because apparently there are up to 7 great white egrets and they're looking for nest sites in the area. And they're located from the tower hide. And obviously, as this is our first visit, this is the first time we've been here, and we didn't know there was a tower hide. Anyway, the tower hide is down this track here, so if you care to join me, we'll see what's in the tower hide. Apparently, those young ornithologists who popped in first thing this morning, they knew where to go. Because if I'd come to this hide first thing, followed them, I should have followed them. Although it would have looked a bit spooky, but I should have followed them because they saw the otter first thing this morning, apparently. I've just been informed. So anyway, we'll go down to that hide now and I'll show you that one as well. Okay, because otherwise we'd miss that one. Catch you in a minute. Best to bring your wellies on this bit, but we haven't. It has dried out a lot recently, so quite lucky we've been able to get down here at all. If it rains, I recommend wellies for sure. Seems to be another hide further off in the distance as well. I'll have to save that for another day. Oh yeah. And there are the great whites. You can see their necks sticking out to the left-hand side of the trees. Incredible. And we've got another marsh harrier approaching. That's going away. Yeah, great white down the channel. Amazing. Oh, another great white just flying in to join it, I think. Amazing. Wow, what an amazing hide. So you've got these great white egrets nesting not far from the hide, probably 200 metres across the lake. Absolutely amazing. Just had a kingfisher fly by. Oh, there's a great white approaching now, low over the reeds. That would have been a nice shot. Yeah. See it flying around there. Put it down a minute. See if we can get this shot. Yeah, just landed where it's probably going to nest. I've got another bird coming in now as well. Catch it. It's interesting. The marsh harrier flew up with some nesting material, I suppose, and went back down in the reeds. So, yeah, amazing. It's obviously a nest from this North Tower hide. So, yeah, if you want to see big birds nesting and how they do it in the reeds, yeah, I suggest Westhay at the moment. Westhay North Hide. Incredible. Anyway, we'll see if that marsh harrier takes off again. Well, he's gone down at the moment, so anyway, I'll put you down. Yeah, we're getting caught out left, right and centre here on Camilla and I. Action keeps coming at this North Tower hide from every direction. Incredible. Yeah, so what a good new nature reserve Westhay is proving to be. Now, I haven't got 8 bittens in the same frame, but we haven't got a single bitten. But I can see why. They must be all around. Oh, that area's gone up. Well, needless to say, we're going to be here again. Absolutely amazing. What a good reserve. Great tip-off, Colin. Anyway, get anything else, as usual, I'll put it at the end of this video. But anyway, have a good one. Bye from Westhay, the new reserve, and Camilla and I. Nice.